Hello, welcome to IABM TV. I'm Stuart Ray, Head of Skills and Development. Joining me on the sofa now is Martin Mulligan, CEO of PHABRIX. Thank you for joining us. What's new with PHABRIX at IBC this year?
So a number of software releases that we've brought out, a little bit retro in the fact we've added SD to our QX range. And you might say, well, why would we be doing that as the world's all moved on to 4K? But we sell a lot to broadcast equipment manufacturers, and they need all tools in one box, hence the addition of SD into that. As far as newest product on show this year, we've got the QXP. So we developed a rasterizer product called QXL, and we've made it into a portable, hence the P. So it's a portable QXL. So we've got touchscreen, button control. It becomes portable because we can use a camera battery on the rear. And that then becomes the first 12 gig SDI, 25 gig IP portable unit. So
that's your main new thing this year.
That's our main new thing this year.
What changes have you noticed maybe since IBC last year? What's new now?
I think we're seeing this continued move towards IP. But again, because it's sort of early days with 2110, and I think people are taking stock. So we're seeing large broadcast customers absolutely moving to IP because of the flexibility they can see. But I think some of the smaller stations are saying, actually, SDI is going to be here for quite a while. It's simpler, we know it. So we're seeing this sort of divergence into all things SDI or IP. Challenge for us is, therefore, we have to make products that are hybrid, so we can quite easily fit in those two worlds. I think that's the biggest change we've seen to date.
So what do you think is the number one reason why people buy PHABRIX products?
Number one reason, possibly...
Or top three,
I'd say at least two. So I think the first one is, if you think about our heritage, it came from the handheld devices. And they're predominantly used by people who are at live events, so they're really time critical. And if there are any issues, they run around with the PHABRIX SX products trying to locate those. And invariably, we can help them diagnose those issues. So there's a real sort of heartstrings sort of tug with broadcast engineers, because I think we help them at those real time critical points. And then the second, we try to bring as many R&D engineers to this show as possible, because we want them to sort of dialogue with customers to find out what are their pressing needs, what are their goals and aspirations, take that back to PHABRIX. 50% of our headcount are R&D engineers, so we're very much innovation driven. So I'd say those are probably the two. We're approachable, we try to react quickly, and hopefully solve problems.
Four reasons.
There we go.
There we go, excellent. And so where can people find you if they're at the show this year?
Okay, so at IBC we're in Hall 10, booth C.01, and if they want to come to our website, it's www.phabrix.com.
Martin, thank you very much for your time.
Thank you, Stuart.
That's it from IABM TV for now. We'll see you next time.